Hello, in this video I will show you how to successfully find stocks to trade, how to analyze them, and how to make a trading plan out of them. So me personally, I have a master watch list with all these stocks. If you want, you can take a screenshot and have it on your own. And always, if you find another good stock to trade, you can always add some of them to the list and you just start analyzing. So I already made analysis before, so I'll just get started and go straight to the point. So we can get started with Tesla. Tesla was a big runner yesterday, so we need to, find another plan and see what is going to happen. So first thing, when I look on this charts, it is always best thing to go on a daily chart, and I usually first thing that I'm gonna look at is SMA 200, and it is this blue line, simple moving average 200. So first of all, I'll look if the stock is above it or below it. If the stock is above it, I'll be looking to trade to buy along the position. And what I usually do is I buy calls. Next thing I do is I try to find, um, the way the market moves. So here I'm right now looking at higher lows, and also we had here higher high. After this thing happened, we had first time higher high, and now we have third time higher low. So what is going to be planned here? If we look at this right here, we'll see that we are at the bullish engulfing. Now I go to 180 days. Now when I know what happened, what is the analysis, I now I can look at key levels, and you can see here this is pretty much key level. Last time that level broke, it was a huge runner. It was runner that went up maybe almost $70. Yeah, I think $70 in one day. That's huge. So we're there again. The next time I'll be looking at is I notice here a bull flag. All right, so we are in an uptrend lately, and I want to draw here a bull flag. All right, this is the upper line. You can see that it was tested 1, 2, 3, 4 times. So you can notice already this is the lower line. And this is pretty perfect bull flag. You can notice that the same level, uh, key level and bull flag will be broken. So the plan to trade this right here will be if we go here. So basically we're trying to day trade. So what I'm gonna do is I'll go to 5-minute time frame and I'll make a decision on where it will be the best time to get in. So basically we need this level get broken, and I don't like to chase, because if there's gonna be a runner, it's gonna be like a huge runner. So I'm not the fan of chasing. I'll let it break it, and then I'll wait for a retest. Retest can be made in a multiple ways. It doesn't even have to be retest that goes back straight to the new support, but it can be something like this: breakout and the flag. It can be something like this, and then in this situation, I'll be looking to enter at the breakout of this. But first, we need to see this pretty much key level gets broken, and then consolidation, and then I'll be going to, looking to go long. And where will I want to, take profits? Of course, I always like to do partially, because you want to secure the bag. You're not just going to risk it all. So this is next key level, obviously 1, 2, 3, 4 times tested in this bull flag. So and around numbers count. So I'll be looking to buy somewhere around here, and this is where it will be the first take profit. I usually do it with the options, and it's a huge percentage with options. like this, it is, you can see that it's 3.5%. Yesterday, the stock went up 7%. And if we go, actually now there is no, this is what the options were. So let me see what was it? And I'll be looking to maybe 680. Let's see how much did it go. All right, this can be enough. Let's see how much did a option move of Tesla yesterday. This option went from 0.48 to $20. It was 6,000% profit. And out of that 6,000, you're easily gonna make 100%. All right, you're easily gonna make it. But basically, what I'm looking at breakout, consolidation, and the new breakout, and that's what I'll be looking to enter. So the next stock on our watch list will be Microsoft. And here as well, we can start analyzing from the beginning. We see that it's above 200 moving average. So the only position I'll be looking to take here is going to be a long position. I noticed this level right here is the key level because it's pretty obvious. It was the high, it was the breakout there. And the next, obviously, important level will be this right here because it's the gap. It's where the gap down happened, okay? And it's where this was tested. And so basically, I want to see it goes up. So let's take more into details. Actually, I'll be waiting for this level to get broken, and then I want to see momentum. I want to see the whole market goes up, and after that is broken, as you can see, it's pretty important key level. I'll be looking to let it run all the way to 260. So I'll be looking to take profits. It is not the best setup. Tesla is much better setup. Let's move on to Netflix. I like this one more. So this one is, right now it's below 200 SMA. What I'm looking at here is this key level here, which was gap, okay? So the gap is in this area right here. And I'm looking this stock to fill the gap. So you can see that the gap support is at the same level as the 200 SMA. We have a rectangle there. Okay, this is pretty obviously a rectangle. We want to see at the same time rectangle breakout, 200 SMA breakout, and that's where I'll be taking, looking to take a call position, and I'll let it run. And I usually, there's like a huge gap here, so I'll be looking to take multiple profits. All right, I'll be looking to take profits. Like this can be a level because it was tested here and here. This could be first take profit. All right, the second take profit can be here, and the last take profit can be right below this level right here until the gap is filled. But it's up to you. You can take a whole profits here because it's pretty huge profits too with options. I really like this setup because we can see huge bullish candle. So I guess the momentum is just getting started. We're right at the support. SMA is about to get broken, and a gap is about to get filled. So that's what is going to be the next Netflix position. Let's move on to HD, Home Depot. So here we had a flag, all right? We had a flag, and now it just stays. So the next thing that can obviously happen is we have this key level, all right? It was tested here, 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 and here. So 4 times it's important one. And the next important one is this all-time high. So I'll be looking to take a long position above here, and the first take profit can be right below this level, and the second take profit can be right below this level right here. And the last on our watch list is Target. Here it's pretty similar situations. We had multiple setups here. We had a flag breakout, and now I'm looking to flag continuation. So here I also have a key level, and I'll probably be looking to buy call at the breakout here and be looking to get out here. Uh, and of course, always when you get in a position, you want to have a stop loss really tight, because if you're right, you're right. The stock is about to go up. But if you're wrong, the stock is just going to fake it and go much lower. So you want to cut those losses really, really tight, because you can always get in again if that fake was a fake one. So that's the key. And I also want to give you advice: do not risk more than 1% of your account, and make the calculation yourself. If you have a 10K, if you want to trade options with $1,000 and you want to risk 10%, you want to risk $100, that's 1% of your account. So that's how you need to look at it. And that's actually the whole risk management, the whole position sizing is in one sentence, and that is: do not risk more than 1% of your whole account. Right? So I hope you learned something. Let me know if you have any questions. Feel free to follow me on Instagram at Share Trading, and feel free to join our Discord group for a free trial to get the alerts with exact stop losses, take profits, and entries, of course. And of course, a much more educational video, pre-market preparation, and a recap after the market is done. And if you like the video, of course, hit a like button. And thank you for watching. See you in the next one.